Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Instagram autoplay. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up Instagram and if you are either on Wi-Fi or cell data, and you want to enable Instagram autoplay, if it's obnoxious that it's asking you basically to turn on or click to play a specific video, then I can walk you through those steps to autoplay any video. What you'll do is you'll tap on your profile icon at the very bottom right here, and then at the top right, we'll tap on those three lines and hit Settings at the top. Now, once we are here, we will tap Account towards the bottom there, and then you can see about midway down here is Data Usage, and we'll tap on that. Now at the very first option is Use Less Cellular Data. And it says use less cell data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So if you have this toggled on, what it will usually do is it will turn off autoplay. So if you turn this off, then it won't limit the amount of data that your phone uses for Instagram, and it will turn on autoplay. So if you want autoplay enabled, you can turn this off, and you can go back to your home screen and watch any kind of videos. You might want to just swipe up to close out of Instagram, and you could always open it back up to reset that. And that should now have autoplay turned on for you. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.